Pika Pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Wa Pika Pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Oh, the sun is shining bright, waking up the world so light. Buds are blooming, birds take flight. It's the springtime parade tonight. Flowers dance with colors grand, shaking petals hand in hand. The breeze is soft, the skies are blue. Springtime brings the joy anew. Bunny hops and squirrels play, chasing shadows through the day. The trees are turning green and tall, nature's party one and all. Raindrops tap a gentle beat, splashing puddles at our feet. Crocuses and daisies twirl, springtime's magic starts to whirl. Bees are buzzing, butterflies fluttering beneath the skies. In the meadow we all sing, hail the warmth that spring will bring. March with me in joyful cheer. Springtime's here, it's crystal clear. Let's all dance, the world is bright in the springtime parade tonight.